Welcome to part 2 of my video series on how to back up Synology data to Microsoft Azure storage blobs using Hyper Backup. So, Hyper Backup is already installed. If you don't have it installed, go ahead and just open your package center. Search for Hyper Backup and go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, you can open it up. You can see I already have a number of Azure backups set up, and we're going to go ahead and configure a new one. So you start by going to Create, and you're going to do a beta data backup task. And go down and select Microsoft Azure. Service provider, you're going to keep the same. Storage account name, you got that in part 1 of this video. And access key, you got that in part 1 of this video series as well. After entering both of those and you select container name, it will load and it will pull that data down from there. And you go ahead and just select that. By default, it will name the directory. You can go ahead and just name it whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to be doing a backup of my local Veeam backups directory, so you'll name it that. Then you select Next, and go ahead and select which directory you'd like to back up. And select Next. You can skip this unless you also plan on backing up applications that you have installed. Name your task. And go ahead and schedule it. So I'm going to choose daily 4:30 a.m. Select Next. Enable backup rotation. I'm just going to do a max version number of 60. And as soon as it's done applying, it will get added to the list. And then I have a bunch of backups running, but when at next scheduled time, it will back up. And that's all there is to it.